Good morning, everyone. I hope so. You all are fine and you have completed your work up to exercise 10.8. So now I'm starting exercise 10.9 and this is of the statement sums. Now look at the question number 1 is Sumit jogged around a circular path that was half a kilometer long. If he took 4 rounds of the park, how many kilometers did it jog? So firstly the saying he jogged in a circular path, right? And the length of the circular path is about the half kilometer, means 1 upon 2 kilometer. And and if he is taking 4 rounds every day in the park, so how many kilometer did he jog? Total length of the that means he is jogging, we have to find. Now length of the circular path is half kilometer, right? What is given? Length of the circular path we are taking half kilometer. Then Sumit took rounds of the park. How many rounds he took? 4. So total the kilometers he jogged means length of the park multiply the round he is taking. So 1 upon 2 kilometer multiply by 4. We know half kilometer is equal to 5 meter, right? Now here you can do multiplication like this: 400, 400 and 4 5s are 20. So 2000 meter he jogged every day, right? This is the total kilometer he jogged. But if we were asking in the kilometer, so what we have to do? Divide with the 1000. 2000 meter divided by 1000, what will come? 2 kilometer. So total kilometer he jogged, that is 2 kilometer. Okay. Now, question number 2. Every morning, Samit and his grandpa walk to the dairy to buy milk. The dairy is 155 meters from their house. How much distance do they walk every morning to buy milk? So, firstly, what they are saying? They are saying that the distance of the dairy from the house is 155 meter, and every day if they are walking, so it means firstly they are going from house to dairy, then dairy to house. The distance is same of one side. So look here how to do. Distance of dairy from house is 155 meter, and the total distance they walked, how much they walked? House to dairy plus dairy to house, right? One time they are going and one time they are coming back. So one time they are going 155 meter plus coming back also 155 meter. When you will add, what will come? 310 meter. How? 5 plus 5 10, then 5 plus 5 10, 1 previous one carry. So this is 11 plus 1, 1 plus 1 2 and 3. This is 310 meter. This was the first method. Second method, 155 multiplied by 2. Why I am taking multiplication by 2? Because the same distance they are walking two times. One time they are going and one time they are coming back. So with any method you can solve. You can do addition also, you can do multiply also. So 155 multiplied by 2. So 2 5s are 10, 0 1 here. 5 2s are 10, 1 11. Then again 1 carry, 2 1s are 2 and 3. This is 310 meter, right? Any method you can use to solve the sum. Now move on to question number 3. Question number 3 is, how many times can 1 upon 2 liter of milk be poured in a vessel of capacity 1.5 liter? So they are saying ki how many times we have to use half of liter of milk, right, to poured in a vessel. A big vessel we are having, its capacity 1.5 liter of milk. This much liter of milk we can pour in that. But with the help of half of liter milk only, how many times we can fill that vessel? So firstly we have to write capacity of a vessel. How much the capacity is there? Capacity means how much milk can come in that vessel. So this is 1.5 liter. So we can write 1 liter plus half liter, this one, right? We can write like this: 1 liter means 1000 milliliter and half liter we know 500 milliliter. So it means the capacity of the vessel in milliliter is 1500 milliliter. Now number of times means that half liter of milk can be poured, that only we have to find. Then how many times we have to pour the half of a liter in the vessel. So this is 1500 milliliter is the capacity of the vessel, and this half liter we are converting into milliliter. Half liter is equal to 500 milliliter. So we are using here 1500 milliliter is the vessel quantity, divide by how many times we have to pour. So that is given half liter. So this is 500 milliliter. Now we are dividing 1500 milliliter divide by 500. So divide here 500 into 3, what will come? 1500. 1500 minus 1500, 0. Right? So it means 3 times we have to use to pour the vessel, right? So 3 times we have to use. Now the question number 4. A teaspoon can hold 10 milliliter of honey, right? In a teaspoon means the small spoon which we are using to eating food. So in that 10 milliliter of milk can hold how many teaspoon of milk will be needed to fill a half liter of bottle. If with that spoon we want to fill the half liter of bottle, right, of honey, so how many times we have to use the teaspoon, number of teaspoon we have to find, right? Now we have to write teaspoon can hold honey how much, 10 milliliter. The number of teaspoons of honey needed to fill half liter of bottle, so that is half liter of bottle divide by the teaspoon can hold honey, how much it can hold, 10 milliliter. Now this is in milliliter, this is in liter, so we can convert. So half liter value 500 milliliter. So 500 milliliter divide by 10. So when you will divide, 10 5s are 50, 50 minus 50 is 0. Now we are taking 0 from the top, it is not divisible, so write here 0 in the question. So answer is 50 teaspoon is needed, right? 50 teaspoon of the honey is needed to fill the half liter of that bottle, right everyone? So please complete exercise 10.9 the statement sums in your notebook and do practice of the same also. Thank you everyone.